show us, because the northern lights, beautiful. But Josh, this picture you got from a viewer is incredible.
Yeah, and this is from China Spring. You know, we saw a lot of these come in from the China Spring area and areas out west. Well, that's because you're away from city lights. This makes sense. This is Lizzie Zubia in China Spring, and you can see a little bit of the pink hue there. And again, we may see it again tonight. So if you have photos from last night or you get any tonight, please send them to me, include your location and which night you took it on, so we can continue to share them with you so you can see them at home as well and kind of see how it looked different across parts of central Texas. Out there right now, that's probably not going on, but we do have high clouds that are moving over. We have temperatures that are in the 40s and the 50s now. As we go through the day, I expect them to climb into the mid-70s by lunchtime. Notice a big difference, though, in the wind. We're going to have winds around 10 to 15, gusts maybe around 15 to 20. So yesterday, when the wind was blowing you around a lot, not going to be the case here today. That's also going to help to keep the fire danger down a tad, although still plenty dry, so don't burn anything. Here we are by 3:30, expecting temperatures to get into the lower 80s this afternoon, which means once the sun goes down, and you'll be watching the skies to see if we can see a repeat, we'll see numbers that will be hanging around in the 70s. Now, the difference between last night and tonight, as far as the aurora is concerned, is the solar storms that cause it came in at the right time last night. Today, they're going to be coming in the middle of the day, so a question is, how long does that activity hang around into the evening? There's a possibility it hangs around. There's also a possibility it's a complete dud, as some of that could really fade away by the time the sun goes down here locally. But nevertheless, go ahead and look out and see if you can see it. And then tomorrow, we're keeping the warmer air around. South winds continue, temperatures getting into the mid-80s. That's because high pressure is taking over, and it was looking like we get a low pressure center coming in this weekend. I told you the forecast was going to be very fluid on that. Now the models take that low to the north, and that has been a change that's happened here over the last 24 hours, really erasing the rain chances for the weekend. We have to wait for another low to come in by the middle of next week. That could bring us better storm chances by the middle of next week. Until then, we stay warm too. Temperatures staying in the low to mid-80s on into the weekend. Sunday, a high of 85, 20% chance of rain Monday. Rain chances come in and we drop down to the 70s next week in the Brazos Valley. More of the same. Temperatures in the low to mid-80s moving forward. Could see them in the 70s next week with rain chances.